3 rows, okay? Addition and subtraction, while saying the alphabet on every other beat, okay?
A, B.
Yep, there you go, every other beat. Okay? So here we go. All right, ready? Go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Q,
H.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now
A.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L.
Okay, that was 39 seconds.
High five, Jacob. There you go.
All right.